Okay. Nothing like trying again. It happens. Starting off Monday strong with interrupted Alberto. Whoops. How was it though? How was Alberto's stream? I think it was MATLAB, was it?
I believe so.
Yeah. Let's see. All right. If we can get signs of life from chat. Of course. Adam, welcome back. Welcome back. We have at least one sign of life. I think that's good to get started then. Cool. Well, let's get into it then. So welcome to day 4 of Global Hack Week. We are going to quickly introduce ourselves and get into the usual. My name is Cecilia. If you haven't gotten a chance to see me on stream, you will today. I'm a coach at Major League Hacking, and my fun fact is that I am knitting a sweater currently.
It's pretty cool.
I'm told it was relaxing, but it's not
Has
when I
it
mess
been?
up. I keep messing up, so that's not so relaxing. But when it's just the same stitch over it again, it's very relaxing in that regard.
Okay. Hey everyone, I'm Alina. I've been a coach here at Major League Hacking for several years now, but haven't done a stream in a while, so good to see familiar faces again. Currently, I'm planning a 55-day trip to Southeast Asia next year, so that's been quite an exciting process.
Dang, that's so cool. I am looking forward to pictures from that if you happen to share.
Yes, absolutely. I'm looking forward to it. If anyone has any tips and tricks about being around countries around Southeast Asia, I would love to hear it.
Alrighty, so
Yeah,
you're giving us how was yesterday.
Yeah, let's get into how yesterday was. Hopefully, some of y'all were on stream yesterday. We'll do a recap of things that were going on. A lot of y'all continued working on your AI project with Kari. Here's a quick snapshot from that. It looked like fun. And then, Cecilia, you were discussing things with data sets yesterday, and here's a snapshot from that. How did that go?
Honestly, really well. Had a lot of good questions from chat. Was mostly me yapping for an hour about how to choose your data set, but still really important for your project. So I think it was well worth it.
Awesome. Maybe I'll have to go back and check out the recording of that. I'd be interested. And then you all learned classification algorithms with Steven yesterday. A quick snapshot from that. Oh, wow, those graphs look cool. Also, I heard that people were using AI for poetry. That's something that I'd be really interested in seeing as well. So there's one about a parish street on a rainy day. It's nice.
Ooh.
Creating comics using AI. I've seen pictures from this and they look awesome.
Oh, I'm taken back to those like really old Superman comics.
Yeah, exactly. It's a very similar art style, yeah. Cool.
Oh, that's
Wow,
so cool.
there's a lot going on yesterday, but it seems like there's also a lot more happening today. So Cecilia, you want to kick off what's going on today?
Sure. So, as for what's happening today, if you find that you've missed this stream or you always want to find out ahead because you've forgotten, because honestly, if it's not written down, I'm going to forget, go ahead and check out the schedule on our link up here. But as for what's actually happening today, you get me again in like half an hour to 45 minutes, where we're going to be trying to use ChatGPT for a number of different projects, not Twitter or formerly known Twitter, but that'll be at 1 p.m. Eastern, 10:30 p.m. IST. We'll be going over some basics. I see this project a lot in hackathons, so I figured why not, do the common project, get people like comfortable with the idea of a common idea, but doing new things with it, so that way you can jumpstart and be ahead of people who are still doing these kinds of projects. Then we have Alberta with yet another artificial intelligence using MATLAB for part 2. So I know that you ran out of time because we clashed into that earlier, but it seems like it was pretty active and really fun. So if you want to check it out with some more information, I'm sure you all will get into more details later today. Check that out at 3 p.m. Eastern or 12:30 a.m. IST. Then we have Steven with a Scribble mini event where you get to take a break, do some drawing, some Pictionary. That'll be 10 p.m. Eastern or 7:30 a.m. IST. And then we have Alberto again with a new topic this time, with quick implementations of AI for the web at 12 a.m. Eastern or 9:30 IST. So Alberto's really active today. Whoa. And we'll close out with checking in with you on what's coming next. And so today in Global Hack Week, tomorrow will be hosted by Stephen and Ryan. Do we have any lettuce gang in here? I still have no idea what's going on with that. Like, they've explained it so many times and I still don't get it. But that'll be, as usual, 12 p.m. Eastern or 9:30 p.m. IST. And as always, let's open it up for Q&A. We've already got a few questions in chat. But if you have any questions about Global Hack Week, we're happy to answer them today.
Yeah, let me share some of the questions we have.
Yes, it is a 3-part stream. It is our usual, where we're doing a lot of setup on the first one. The next one will be like getting into the nitty-gritty of it, and third part will be fixing any last bugs that we find, because we always find bugs. A request for GeoGuessr. I don't think we have GeoGuessr on the schedule this month.
I will have to pick up on the GeoGuessr streams sometime soon. Those are some of my favorite streams.
Ooh, well, maybe you should be hosting them.
Yeah.
Which reminds me, if you haven't checked in, let's go ahead and add that link. So go ahead and make sure you check in for the event for your challenges for today. And in the meantime, any other questions from chat? In-person GeoGuessr.
Maybe we can have markers around the camp. That'd be cool.
That would be interesting. Okay, well, pretty short today in Global Hack Week then, if there are no other questions, which means you get a chance to take a break, grab some water, grab some breakfast, lunch, or dinner, depending on your time zone. I should grab breakfast, to be honest, before I go stream for 2 hours. Maybe make some caffeine. We have claims of success. Claims of brilliance, even.
I would play.
I would watch. I already know I'm going to be bad at it, but I'm content to watch and take photos. All right. Well, I think we're good to wrap up. Oh, nope, we do have a question. What to upload for the GitHub Student Developer Pack? So if your student ID has an expiration date, you can upload an image of your student ID. If that doesn't work or you're having issues, you might try your transcript, like a screenshot of it, or your schedule for the fall semester, to prove that you're a current student. That tends to be the most common recommendations that we give for the profile. I don't know what that means. I have no. Do you know?
I'm assuming this means your profile screenshot with a pro tag. I'm not sure what a pro tag means.
No idea. But generally, you need an expiration date. Oh, profile screenshot where it shows pro tag. Generally, it's a student ID with an expiration date if it has one. If not, it's your transcript or semester schedule. Oh, for the challenge, Shen Marie coming in, cleaning up for us, uploading a screenshot of your approved student developer pack. There we go. It's morning. Yep. Can you tell?
That makes sense.
At least for me. It's only 9 a.m. Alrighty. That makes way more sense. Chat coming in clutch. Yep. Looks like
after they sign up for GitHub, they get a pro tag, and then the pro tag shows you that you either pay for GitHub Pro or have
the student developer pack. Gotcha. There we go. Wow, did I just date myself for not being able to read abbreviations? Oh, that should not have been that hard. Okay, last call for questions. Gotta give that stream delay a little bit. It's always awkward waiting for those.
Mm-hmm.
Going once. Going twice. Okay, well, if you have any further questions that are after today in Global Hack Week, you can go ahead and go to the Discord, which if you're not already on the Discord, let me go find the link for that. Or Lena, if you want to actually go find that, we'll wrap up. You can join the Discord and ask your questions there. We have lots of active people who are able to jump in just like they have been in chat, which we love to see. And if you are having difficulties or other things come up, there's always checking in at another Today in Global Hack Week. And then we have a last minute new question. How do we know if we successfully completed the challenge? I believe once you submit the type form, you should be good to go. You can keep your own personal record of what you've submitted to and what that information is, because then if you do an audit of your points at the end of the week and you notice something isn't quite aligning, you have proof to check in on that. But it looks like there's also daily email verification. So it seems like you'll get some summaries at the end of the day or into the new day. Wow, I should really participate in Global Hack Week to get these emails so I can know how to answer this question in the future. There we go. MLH sends daily emails, but also if you haven't joined the Discord, go ahead and follow that link. Okay, well, I think with that, we will drop off. For those of you staying on to catch my stream, we'll have lots of fun going over using ChatGPT. No pressure, of course. You can always watch the recording. And yeah, see y'all later.
Great. Take care, everyone. Bye, Cecilia.